Yo, 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 happening people. Okay, so have a quick glance then. So it's looking dollar's a bit tricky. It's not doing much, just kind of sat in that level. VIX is still in the 20s. Indices are still around negative. Oh, we've taken the high. That's nice. Go down to M5 then quickly. See if we get a push down or if we're gonna go up. Let's go on M5 across all of them, I guess. It's funny how the 7 AM window lined up exactly with the midline on EUGU. That's hilarious. Anyway, gas down. Oil sat around 100 for Brent. Crude just under 90. Platinum, palladium up a couple of percent. ETH up 1.5%. ETH up 1%. Silver up 2.8. Gold up 1.8. Okay. Let's see how this goes then. Then M5 on here also. Yeah, sure, why not? That's the channel. Yo, morning, bro. How you doing? Oh, I forgot to open the soundboard. Here it is.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
There you go. I love that. Welcome to Stratton Oakmont. What's up, Sahadi? How going the trading? Going. Good. Bed. How doing? Kinda made it equal high. Kinda made it equal high across all of these. It would have been better if it's more of a wick rejection of that level, but we took any trades today? Because you tend to already be in a trade by the time I wake up and start the stream. That could work. Let's see what happens here then. Is that it, Sahad? Soap and then that's it, you're done. Oh dear, this guy. Oh dear. I would like to see EUGU come down. take this channel and then start to push to the upper side. That would be my preference. Gonna happen. I'd like to see UJ start to drop down. I'm hoping that we're making Frankfurt high, so you can drop down. Big push on UJ, man. Look at that. Nice move going on here. I would prefer that EU and GU start to go long. Now that it's created Frankfurt high, left it there, we've had a channel built up, we've kind of mitigated that channel or whatever you want to call it. Nah, that to me looks good. And we got a bunch of highs there, and kind of equal highs there, I suppose. GG, I'm a bit uncertain because it come and took this level here. It's not giving the reaction I wanted. Kind of like drip down.
According to Kyoto, Japan's cabinet is to approve provisional budget on March 27th.
financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Come on, people. We're at 740 almost. Now would be a good time for it to start shifting to the other side and then give an entry. Let's see if it will or won't. For mod eurusd earlier, was it the sell during Asia session? Because it sold off quite well, didn't it? Honestly, Asia and Frankfurt have been way better than London sometimes. Yeah, sell. Yeah, well, it had to be, I suppose, innit? I just looked at the chart, it's bare sell pressure, yeah. This is bullshit, bro. I can't long eat GU now because you used touch that invalid zone. That's so bloody annoying. UJ is the only one I can do now. Did you see about the ceasefire agreement from Trump? It was absolutely hilarious. I don't know if you probably don't know, because I don't think many people are really bothered, are they? Or following the news closely. But it was really funny. So Trump's made a ceasefire agreement, yeah, and Trump's been saying the whole time, oh yeah, they want to make a deal, we've won the war, he's kept claiming it, yeah. But obviously we already know he's asking UK, he's asking Europe, he's asking everyone to come give him help. So we know he's talking bollocks, yeah. And then he come out of nowhere, and he goes, we've made a 15-point plan for a ceasefire. First point, Iran gets to keep its nuclear. Iran gets lifted of all sanctions. Wait a second. Why is America making a ceasefire in the favor of the Iranians? I thought America's won. No. So first of all, they're lifting all sanctions, and if you don't know, Iran has the best oil on earth. It's like the finest thing there is. So you don't need to frack it or anything like that. You could just ready-made sell. It's like really good oil. It's literally, apparently the oil it has is one of the best there is in the world, yeah. But obviously, if they start selling that, they're gonna become a powerhouse in the Middle East. They'll probably overtake Saudi and UAE, which is gonna be brilliant. Because you might actually get a rich Muslim nation with a strong militant leader, which is gonna be brilliant. I'm telling you, I'm moving to Iran. Second, they're gonna lift the restrictions of them having nuclear power. They said, you know what, you can have nuclear power, that's fine, you can use it, that's fine. Another one is, we'll help you create a nuclear bomb. We will literally send you American scientists to be involved in that. So America sending this ceasefire, doesn't it sound more like the terms for Iran, not the terms for America? And Trump still claiming we won the war. And there's more than that. Also, he keeps saying that, oh, we spoke to the Iranians, they want to make a deal. The Iranian foreign minister said, what are they talking about? Like, they've not spoke to us. Why do they keep saying lies? We're actually angry that they're lying about it. So, like, he literally, the foreign minister, Agarachi, whatever his name is, literally rang up the American embassy and said, how dare you make lies about us seeking a negotiation and stuff like that. We're gonna follow this war through to the end. So America's like, shit, we need to make a ceasefire now. Oh, Qasem is hilarious, Sahad. It was so funny, bro. There's more stuff as well. Qasem, there's more stuff. Like, I passed out from laughter, bro. It's too funny, bro. Basically, America's saying in the ceasefire, we give up, you win. But they're saying to the world, we won. Qasem, next level retarded. See, look, I wanted to buy, but it freaking tagged the invalid zone, and now Ooh, we took out these highs. That's better. Oh. We got a channel seated underneath a demand zone. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Oh. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, he's a proper Lunju Punju. I don't even know what the right term would be, but Egypt. He is in Egypt. We could take that high also right here and then do a fat drop. That would be brilliant. Because then we've got Frankfurt low available. Frankfurt high is done. We've got Frankfurt high left there. Frankfurt low here. Come on. Let's have a look, say. Yeah, 100% scammer, bro. When he made the whole, we're gonna make a deal, and then oil fell off a cliff. Pure scummy stuff. Oh, okay. I like the look of this now. I'm liking the look of UJ now.
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss ZEW expectations prior 9 spot 8.
I'm waiting too long euro, but I'm waiting for PSC. I'm looking to short it. I think it will want to short. If it goes to plan, I'm shorting. If it doesn't go to plan, then longs are completely valid. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? I said I wanted to long it as well. I've literally got a long position on the chart. What am I doing? What did I say? I wanted to short it. I don't know what I said. My brain's still not braining. Sorry. I don't even know what I said. Did I say long or short? Customer, I don't even remember. But I wanted to go long. It's just that's invalidated it right now. I still feel like I'm half asleep, sorry. Oh dear. I looked at Horizon the game. You said short. What? Wait, why would I want to short it? Sorry bro, customer. I meant long, that's why I got long position here, long setup right there. Sorry. Customer, my brain's not braining, man. This is what I don't like. This is why I need to have good sleep in the morning. You see the mistake I just made? That's from lack of sleep, bro. Or like not good sleep in it. This is why I don't like trading. If I don't get clean sleep, because fuck it, what kind of mistake was that? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god, that's funny. Nah, I don't do coffee, bro. I don't do hot drinks. Only hot chocolate. That's it. I don't do cha or anything. Hi. So yeah, I looked at Horizon the game. It looks kind of similar, but it's a bit more robotic here. It reminds me of Cyberpunk. It gives me Cyberpunk vibes. Horizon does. What was the other game you lot told me about? I was looking at Souls games. I don't like them. I was looking at what they're about. Souls games are annoying. Basically, all you do is go around fighting monsters or whatever, but you have to like, it's very difficult fighting. It's like, isn't it like learning based? You have to learn the enemy and then die to then catch a win. That's annoying. Why would people want to play that type of game? If you're getting pissed off playing a game, bro, I don't see how you can find it enjoyable. I really don't understand that concept. Super nerds. Yeah, I was like asking ChatGPT about it. He's explaining like the whole game style and stuff, because I've seen some sick Chinese games, bro. Yeah, the visuals are mad, cutscenes are mad, and I asked her, and it's like, yo, this is one of those games, a Souls game or whatever. And then I was like, how hard are they? And he's like, bro, you're gonna be angry. I said to ChatGPT, my friend said, you're gonna punch your computer. ChatGPT said, that's the underrating. You'll probably throw it out the window. Bro, ChatGPT's got some good sense of humor, you know. He's like, no, you throw it out the window. And then I was like, and then it was like, look, you don't like that type of game. You like games that you can enjoy and have fun. I was like, yeah. Then ChatGPT was like, yeah, don't play Souls games. Then I was like, is there any easier Souls games? Then ChatGPT is like, no, it's literally 4 hard games and stuff like that. Bro, do you know how much money they spend on games and stuff like that? You know, Genshin Impact is $1 billion franchise. Did you know that? I was like, oh my god. And Elden Ring and stuff like that, they're making millions and billions, bro. I was shocked. That's me, I was shocked. I can't believe the amount of money they spend to develop a game and then to maintain the servers and the profit they make. That's me. Bro, we're in the wrong industry. We need to go into game development or like investing in game companies and stuff, man. They make mad money. That's me, bro, it's mad. Bro, Genshin, yeah, literally has done $1 billion in profit, and it costs about 100 million to I think it cost about 200 million to make the game, and yearly say server maintenance and updating is about 100 mil. So they're still profiting 700, 800 million minimum a year. That's insane. And then apparently according to costs of business is about 50 to 60 million a year. That's like running, like, you know, employees and like facility costs and stuff like that. I was like, wowza. That's mad. Okay, we're so close to taking this high. This would be the next valid zone to go long on GU. 2.1 pips ain't bad. We can do 3.1 pips on that. I'll take it. I'm just gonna create limit order 0.25, get rid of TP level. That's 8.7. Awesome, I'll keep that. Wait, if I click buy, is it gonna manually execute or is it gonna do a limit order? I'm scared to check that. Let me just oh, sets a limit. Oh, thank God. Oh, that's good. Yo, Sahad, this is way better. This way I can't miss limits. Oh my God, this is... Whoa. How did I not know this before? I literally use TradingView as well. All the time. How did I... Bro, did you... That's a wicked idea. Oh my God. Oh my God. How did I not know that before, man? I thought when you click it, it's like a market execution or something, so I was scared to click it. Oh my God, that's sick. You can set everything there, get ready. When it comes, hit the buy button. If it does break and tag within 1 minute, you're ahead of it. Oh, that's really cool. That is really cool. Oh, so hard. Oh my God. I needed that so many times as well. Oh my God. Game changer. Absolute game changer. I wonder how much Elden Ring and those games make. I didn't ask about them because I'm not keen on those games anyway, but I'm guessing they make tons as well, innit?
Still waiting for Swiss ZEW expectations.
That's first leg, didn't do a second leg, it just flew up again, which is fine. It's coming for the high, coming for this high here. This is going into probably the next day. They might as well just start doing that, get rid of that, and probably do that. I think it's UJ is coming for the high. If it's gonna drop, and we're right near. Oh, we're at London Open. Alright, wait. What's going on here then? You haven't broke the high. We tagged the high. If we start getting bearish volume coming in, that means shorts are the way to go on GU. Oh, Euro's doing it. Highs and pound. That's suspicious. We literally took these highs 3 minutes before London Open. Yeah, go on. Go higher, bounce off of Asia high and then drop down. I'm gonna hang my clothes and get rid of a dead body. Be right back. Yeah. Oh, that was quick. Oh, this may be difficult. It's got a bigger than expected SL, but Cholo, I might just have to take it at this point. I really want to long it, but euro is in that invalid zone. Oh, what happened there? Oh, it comes off. Okay. Why doesn't it remember the settings? What's the projected? I don't get what it means by that. I don't know what that means either.
AP News says Iran has received the 15-point US ceasefire proposal.
Cowards. Absolute cowards. So GU's leaving to go on holiday. Hope he has a good time. Oh DL, it's going, gone. I hope Iran doesn't accept the ceasefire and they keep going hard. I don't want them to accept it. I want them to keep pushing. I want them to make America beg in front of everyone. Yeah, of course, yeah. Apparently, Iran is telling Pakistan, Egypt, and Turkey it doesn't trust Trump's peace talks and thinks it might be a trick. They say the USA sending more troops and fighter jets to the Middle East looks suspicious. Also, Iran believes fighting could continue for another 2-3 weeks, even if talks happen. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, they're being very realistic and honest about everything, to be fair, aren't they?
Traders pair back
قدرتی
bringing
دنیا
rate bets
اگر
and
می
price
توانست از
61
این
weight
مخمصه
basis points of hikes
بسم
by the
الله
year.
الرحمن الرحیم قدرت راهبردی که از آن دم میزدید تبدیل به شکست راهبردی شده. مدعی ابرقدرتی دنیا اگر می توانست از این مخمصه رها شود تا حالا شده بود. اسم شکستتان را توافق نگذارید. دوران وعده هایتان به سر رسیده. امروز در جهان دو جبهه وجود دارد، حق و باطل، و هر حق طلب آزاده‌ای تحت تأثیر امواج رسانه‌ای شما اغوا نمی شود. سطح خود درگیری هایتان به مرحله مذاکره خودتان با خودتان رسیده. نه خبری از سرمایه گذاری هایتان در منطقه هایتان به مرحله مذاکره خودتان با خودتان رسیده. نه خبری از سرمایه گذاری هایتان در منطقه خواهد بود و نه قیمت سابق انرژی و نفت را خواهید دید تا وقتی که بفهمید ثبات در منطقه توسط دست قدرتمند نیروهای مسلح ما تضمین می شود. ثبات از طریق قدرت. صراحتاً اعلام می کنیم تا موعدی که اراده ما نباشد هیچ وضعیتی به روال سابق بر نمی گردد. این اراده زمانی ایجاد می شود که به طور کامل فکر اقدام علیه ملت ایران از اذهان کثیف شما پاک شود. حرف اول و آخر ما از همان روز نخست این بوده، هست و خواهد بود. کسی همچون ما با کسی مثل شما کنار نخواهد آمد، نه حالا و نه هیچ وقت دیگری. و من نصر الا من عند الله العزیز الحکیم.
Man, Iran is absolutely hilarious. Oh my god. Oh, you're back. Fascinating, bro, what I was listening to was absolute, it was the Iranian spokesperson, yeah? Oh my god, his statements are hilarious. He goes, the power of the USA suddenly come to a halt. The authority of the USA suddenly come to a halt in front of Iran's might. Then it goes, now you're at the age where you're making negotiations with yourselves. That's made the spokesperson is so funny, bro. He's cooking the shit out of them. That's the way he absolutely annihilates them. Euro looks good. I wanted to close 15 and then make a decision. My problem now becomes, yeah, it's a hard, you say, Gasme, bro, you should, do you want me to read the translation out to you? I'll listen to it again because we got time, I think. I'll listen to it again. And then I'll do it on slower speed. Just turn the volume down as well and then go slower speed. The strategic power you boasted about has turned into strategic defeat. If the world's supposed superpower could escape, it's too slow. Let me go faster on it. If the world's this predicament, it would have happened by now. Don't call your defeat an agreement. The era of your promise has ended. Today in the world where these two fronts are falsehood and truth, and no truth seeker is deceived by your media propaganda waves.
On sanctions relief and nuclear rollback.
Your conflict have reached the stage of you negotiating with yourselves. There will be no news of your investments in the region, nor will you see the previous price of energy and oil until you understand that stability in the region is guaranteed by the powerful hands of our armed forces. Through power, stability through power. We clearly declare that until it is our will, our situation will no situation return to the way it was before. That will is created when through the acting of the Iranian nation is completely cleansed from your dirty minds. Our first and last words from this has been the same to you from the first day and is and it will be. No one like us will come to you. What? No one No one like us will come to terms with anyone like you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Not now, not any other day or any other time. And victory only comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the mighty and wise. Bro, you have to say, I love Iranians, bro. Well, not Iranians, I love the Muslim Iranians. They're on it, bro. That's me, cooked him. This is the guy who, whenever they make a statement, 5 minutes later they start doing a new wave of missiles. This guy's like, I don't know who he is, but he's in the loop. He's probably one of their generals or spokes generals or something, I don't know. Bloody hell, UJ fell off, man. That's me, bro, 100% he's shitting himself. 100% he's shitting himself. He's thinking, what the hell have I done for Israel, man? Iran's not stopping, they're not letting down, what am I gonna do? Literally, that's probably what he's thinking. He's gonna get impeached, or like, you know, midterms. Midterms are soon, aren't they? The midterm elections, he's gonna get voted out. Watch, he's gonna get voted out. He's gonna be the first president to run twice and get voted out in the second term. Watch. It's gonna be an embarrassment on him. Inshallah. Anyway, GUs flew up too far, bro. It's already done a 30 pip move. I don't want to hop in a buy, Sahad, after it's done 30 pip, because my data, I know right now we're not in average markets, yeah, we're in abnormal markets, but on average, 30 to 35 pip is TP2. You caught it. It's not moving as good as GU. Where did you, what time did you enter? How many minutes ago? How many minutes ago did you end up hopping in? I took it on a 5 instead. So what, just 5 minutes ago then? Or like the last 5 minute candle? So you took it on this candle here. Yeah, so this candle here, innit? I'm guessing. When it trapped sellers. Yeah, basically when this candle here, yeah. So I don't know what to do now, because I've got a feeling it's gonna move all the way. This is what happens to Jews every day. Woo! Anyway, the issue now becomes for me that we're getting such big moves. How much of my data do I really have to rely on? Yeah. I'm still sticking to my same strategy, still sticking to my same plan. Which I don't mind, because I'm calling price action great. It's just waiting for the entry, that's all. Now the only thing I can think, yeah, is on Euro. This is gonna be the zone to enter from, but it's already very balanced on price. Price is already balanced that whole region. So the only place I could then say is gonna be here. Damn it. 2.94 pip SL on Euro. I don't like it. I really don't like such a big SL. Honestly, on Euro I prefer 2 to 3. And then on pound, I don't mind like 2.5 to 3.5. 3.6. Yeah. we are because we are experienced, we know when to risk on, risk off. Yeah, exactly. Crazy, we had the same plan. When I saw your market, I'm like, bro, we're looking for the same thing. Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, if you follow what I do, bro, 90% of the time you're gonna be right. Because I call price action really good. The only issue I have is M1 entries, but if you enter an M5, M15, odds are you're gonna be quite good anyway, because you get a deeper pullback zone and stuff like that, or you get a bigger zone for it to tap back into, which makes it more likely. The only issue is I'm not willing to sacrifice risk reward. That's something I can't sacrifice. I'm happy sacrificing trade frequency. I'm happy sacrificing all that stuff. You need to test out the volume profile, bro. I wish I could. I wish I could. But all these indicators you get in Forex, I don't know how accurate they are compared to the volume profile that you... Let me have a look. Clicked it, I don't see nothing. You sure? I don't know any of these if they're even good or anything, so I can't even... I don't know. Nah, I ain't got time for that, bro. M1, I can't even catch an entry. You want me to start drawing freaking volume stuff and stuff on the chart? I said by the time I've drawn it, 3-4 entries would have come and gone. Ayya. So that's fully balanced. That's the uni zone left. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, makes sense. So what do I do now then, man? Because it's swerved that zone, swerved that zone, swerved that zone, swerved that zone. Now we've done a how many pip move? We've done a 33 pip, almost TP2 level. TP3 is 45 pips, doesn't happen often. When TP3 does, there's a more likelihood of catching a TP4 at 60 pips. So I think I'm gonna have to wait for a reversal, bro, because it's been 20 minutes since London Open. I might have to try and catch the move back down. Easy 400 bucks. Lovely. So now I just gotta wait innit for something else to happen. Bring that down to London Open now. Yeah, the issue is for me, same problem, bro. I'm still not getting any pullbacks because price is moving more aggressively in New York, which is fine, but it's just not giving me an entry, bro. The same score again, innit? Same situation all over again, mate. I have to just try and look for a reversal back down. I miss COD. I'm alright at the moment because I got Ghost of Tsushima. Sorry, anyway, Ghost of Tsushima. I'm not too bothered. I don't know what I'm gonna play after this, man. I think I'm cooked. I'm too picky. But I've turned into a gamer anyway, that's hilarious. ChatGPT was like, you skipped focusing on what is gaming and become a full-on gaming nut. I was like, thank you, mate. Yeah, but there's no fight scenes or anything like that. Like, I don't know. I'll give it a go. Wait, let me look at my list on CD keys because I got a list of games on CD keys I want to play. Oh, Iran's trolling Trump on WhatsApp. Hey, hey Ayatollah, let's talk about the Strait for sure. Oh, that's good to hear. I will cease attacks for 5 days. Thanks for your attention on this matter. And it's basically America WhatsApping Iran and just basically having a conversation with themselves. Absolutely hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna look at the CD key because I buy the keys in it because it's cheaper. So the games I've got on my list, yeah. Oh shit, I logged out. Why did you log out for, you stupid? Back in. Back in. Okay, so the games I was looking at was these are the 6 games I want to try. Horizon Forbidden West. I'm gonna give it a go. Forza Horizon 6, Street Fighter 6, and Final Fantasy Rebirth. They're the games I'm gonna try. Forza Horizon I'm gonna enjoy because it's a car game. Obviously, I'm gonna enjoy that. Like, that's for sure. Crimson Desert is really bad. I've seen a lot of people complaining about it. Ark Raiders. What else is Battlefield 6, GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 2, and on Outer Worlds, Europa, Borderlands 4, Baldur's Gate. I've heard a lot of stuff about Baldur's Gate, that game. Helldivers, what's that? I've heard about that as well. Elden Ring, Night Rain, that's probably a DLC. Doom, I've heard of Doom. Elder Scroll, don't know what that is. Assassin's Creed Shadows, don't know what that is. The first Berserker Kazan, don't know what that is. Monster Hunter Wilds, that's the new one, isn't it? Yeah. Monster Hunter Wilds actually has got bad reviews. Got very bad reviews. Yeah, I'm not gonna do Monster Hunter. Oh, you get Windows 11 Pro key and stuff as well. Yo. Oh, they do Xbox Pass as well. Bro, these keys, they do bare keys for stuff, bro. Oh, they do gift cards as well. Nice. They do gift cards as well, bro. Or you get subscription cards to Xbox Game Pass on PC, Nintendo Online, PlayStation. Okay. But this CD Keys website is sick, bro. Okay, you need to play Horizon 1 to get the story. Horizon Zero Dawn. I'll just play the new one and then I'll just watch videos on the previous games to figure out what the hell the context was. Look at EU, bro. Oh yeah, it's still going. Oh shit. Where's London Open? Here. So from the Open so far, EU's done 25 pips, which is a good move. Pounds done 35, which is a good move. That's TP2 done on pound. There's one debating, should I go short? That's a good interpretation. That's a pretty fair and good observant interpretation. And I called it to a T as well. On M1. Now the issue becomes, am I gonna keep running? Am I gonna hop into a move that's already done a big move, or am I gonna wait for a reversal? I'm gonna wait for a reversal. Always wait for a reversal. I think it's a deadly idea to hop into a trade that's moved 40-50 pips and be like, yeah, it's gonna move 70 more, when you're probably gonna get slapped straight out that trade. Oh, here's the volume profile thing. Oh. How many times did I click it? Oh, look, Sahad, look. Oh. Are you looking? Oh. I don't know, but I'm gonna delete it. I don't like it. That's better. Oh, finally. And to be honest, I don't know if volume profile makes a difference or not, because I tend to call the market quite good anyway. The issue is entries. Anyway, if I don't catch anything, it doesn't matter, because it just means I cut the stream early and then I play more Ghost of Tsushima. In the tween. Wait a second. If the weather's good, I might go for a walk, because last 2 days it was raining. Yeah, but I'm like enjoying the gaming and doing my little searching around, building my best armor and stuff like that. I'm enjoying it. 100% I could just smash the main storyline and be done in a day. But I know once the storyline's done, I'm cooked, so I need to enjoy it for as long as I can. You know, if you just do the storyline stuff, you probably can't do it in like 12 hours if you're doing it straight. I'm one of them nibbers. I want to finish the game so I can play something else. I'm not like that. I just want to finish the game because I enjoy it. So normally I just finish games ASAP. But because this is my first time gaming on a PC, I want to really like explore and stuff like that. And even when I play Genshin, I explore, so I catch all the cool stuff, and then I'm kind of like, yeah, let's just box the game off now. Or like, I like to build my characters so they're proper strong, and then just easy, the game's easy then. Because you got the best armor, the best tools, all that stuff, it's like boom, done. Right, so the weather, is it good or bad? It's sunny, but holy shit, it's cold as fuck. Cold as fuck. It's 7 degrees, but it's sunny outside. But damn, I'm staying home. I'm staying home. There's a 13 pip candle. Somebody want to explain that? Why? Guess what? You still need $80 to pass. Oh, we're getting a move now. He's like, you pass, he can't answer. Nope, he hasn't. Rude! Oh, rude! Go on, tell us what happened. As long as you didn't blow the account, that's the main thing, innit? If you blew the account, then Custody, I'm gonna slap you in your head. Can't help it. Yes. Haroon, how old are you again? No, account is still there. That's good. That's good. Thank God. This is what I'm telling you, bro. As soon as you got the account, you took 4 trades in one day, and then the next day you took. In your second day of your account, you took 7 trades, I think, yeah? That's only the first day you took 4, and you up like 8% or 9%. Like, you basically 1% from passing. So all you did... Yeah, I know you needed 1% in it. So you up like... If it's a 10% account, you up 9%. If it's an 8% account, you up 7%. How did you go... You know how it work? The day he passes the card, I can die in peace. Haroon, how old are you again? Because I have to keep asking this because I keep forgetting. How old are you again? Because customer sabr is not your strong point. Not your strong point. Yeah, next level. You know what? I can't say I'm disappointed, yeah, because disappointed is when you know that person is gonna do good and then they do bad. I'm just like this guy, man. Yeah. He's giving pure teenager vibes. They got the kind of that's an achievement. Not really, Haroon. It's been 3 days. It's been 3 days and man's almost hit TP and come back to nearly break even. How have you done that in 3 days, bro? That's me. It's just gone wee. Oh, wait. Haroon's done this in 3 days. In 3 days, he's done that. In 3 days. And normally this takes 3 weeks. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Man's done it in 3 days. That's severe. What do I do, man? What do I say? Read the tattoo, blow the cat and blame it. Oh, Wi-Fi latency. He's trying to blow the can to say, bro, my finger slipped. I don't know why it opened max margin. I don't know why. It just happened to be in a gold long as well. I don't know why, bro. I opened 3 lots on a 5k account. My finger just slipped, bro. I don't know what happened. He's one of them. I swear to God. Stop mocking, man. I'm so close. And now you're so far. It's because we're telling you where you're going wrong and you're not learning the lesson. I'm not joking. I'm cooking him and I'm enjoying it because it's funny. That's why, you know, me and Sahad, probably, like, I don't know how many times Sahad told you, but I told you, bro, you can't rush the journey. If you were up 8% here or 9%, but whatever, you can pass. But the way you're doing it is just scalping the shit out of it. But Bashy never gives the trade. And I'm exactly where I was before. I'm up on some accounts, I'm break even on some accounts. I'm in phase 2 on some accounts. Like, it's good, innit? You know how I see it is like this. I can trade more, change my strategy, reduce the risk reward, reduce the win rate, then develop possible over trading bad habits, possible revenge trading habits. Why? Just sit back and relax, bro. Chill in it, man. Play Ghost of Tsushima. Play some Genshin Impact. Watch some corn. Just relax in it. The top to still lose a trade, even if a valid signal is given. He is. No, he is. I see that completely. That's me. I see that completely. I see that completely, bro. He takes one of my trades, yeah, catches 20R. Next second, bro, he's like, bro, I blew the account. How? I was up 20%. How? I traded 1% risk, caught 20R, made 20%, and I blew the account. How? A full margin gold because I wanted to make 60% and I got slapped. What the fuck? You're dry humping me, God. That's where you guys are hilarious, man. He's only gonna get caught first. That is so bad. That's where you guys are so bad. Anyway, Bashy, because it's hard to see. Oh, you taking the piss? Haha, Mini Bashy, you two need to slap. Micro pips. We're gonna have to wait for New York session, I think, man. We need a ruining card. Oh god, yeah, it'll be hilarious. But then the banter would be too aggressive, man. The banter would be too aggressive. You'll end up getting hurt, you know. Yeah, but we're gonna cuss you both. We're gonna cuss you both. Because every time you get a shot, we're gonna be like, look what he's doing. He's playing trading in COD. Getting slapped to left, right, center. Every time he dies, there's another account. Every time he dies, there's another account. Every time he dies, mass liquidation occurred. I'll join you and I'll pass an account. I don't know if you're gonna have that much time, you know, to wait for you, bro. I was trying to get married and have a family, bro. You know what I mean? You ain't got that time to wait. I take my knowledge from the TikTok guys. Oh god, TikTok. Oh god. Every takes a trade every pre-lobby. No, but you know if he's in the war zone, then every gulag in it, because he's gonna get murked at least 3-4 times, yeah. He's gonna get every gulag he takes a trade, and every time he dies, he blows an account. Oof. I mean, expensive day for you, lad. One thing blowing is Sahad doing you, and one thing you're blowing is your bank card because you're crying on it. You're blowing on the chip. Please work one more time for one more 5k account, please. Wiping the chip. When he blows an account, that goes down the street to blow Jason for a fresh account. Yeah, he does. Rune's on his knees, mate, work in the corner. I need another account. Wait.
Please, me, I need this.
That's a Rune.
Please, me, I need this. I need it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Okay, that's enough now, innit? We've had enough jokes and stuff. Hold about to drop. Yes, take a short, innit? Rune has no more for the UK's economy. than the rest of the UK. Must be you, man, are hilarious, bro. Was there a short or not? Because I wanted one, but nah, nothing. Gus me did. I just want to play Ghost of Tsushima. Can I just go already and play Ghost of Tsushima?
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription.
Nah, the
Isn't
EU
that
short
one
is
big,
trap legitly. Possibly, we have to look at volume, session volume and stuff like that, and session behavioral patterns and stuff. So I think might be a short there. Obviously, I'm not saying there is, but I'm saying that there might be in it. We can delete that. We can keep that. Isn't he in the same state as you or city as you or whatever? Wait, does Australia have states or not? I don't know if that sounds dumb, or obviously I don't really know much about it because I don't really pay attention to Australia. 15 minutes away from me. Go check on him, man. Hey, Yara, I thought you died. Where you been? Yeah, we do. Oh, you do have states. Interesting. I'm not seeing yen go all the way up to here. Obviously, I don't know, innit? I'm from the state called New South Wales. Okay. How many states do you have? Oh my god, gold and silver are disgusting. Oh. Yeah, they're bad. What about... Oh damn it. What about... Let's just get rid of all of the inactive ones. Let's look at some other stuff here. VIX is still in the mid-20s. Indices are up a tiny bit. Gas is down, which is good. You know, this is funny because all these markets are reacting, yeah, to the news that Trump's made a ceasefire agreement, but Iran hasn't even accepted it. So now it's probably a good time to start buying indices and stuff with the selling indices and stuff, and now it's got a bit of a push to the high side. Like, I would sell Bitcoin, Ethereum. I would buy gas. Buy the oil and stuff, because I think it's going to push back up again when they turn around and say, well, you're on about agreement, or you don't. Because remember, the Western media is not listening to the Eastern news or this, so they're not really aware of what's actually going on. What do you reckon for Brent oil? For Brent, well, right now it's at 98. 1:15 minute here, hit Brent. I think it's going to keep going higher, obviously, because they're talking about ceasefires, but I don't see Iran accepting it. Because I don't see Iran accepting a ceasefire, because there's nothing about the Gaza line in the ceasefire. There's nothing about the expulsion of the bases in the ceasefire. There's nothing about Israel's being punished for whatever they've done. And Iran knows they're always going to be a threat. So I don't think Iran's going to accept it. And you had that spokesperson earlier on, remember, saying what he said about you basically negotiating with yourselves. So I think Iran's going to keep going. And when the war does continue going and Trump says they don't accept the ceasefire deal, oil's going to go back up again. Gold's going to go back up again. Indices are going to drop down again. Personally, I want to get back into the Emirati stock market. I want to get into gas. Well, let's look at nat gas. Yeah, look at that. Natural gas. Damn it. I want to keep clicking control. The nat gas has fell off 20%. I probably want to get back into nat gas as well. Gulf Coast export futures. Oh, damn it. I want like LNG in it. Because it flew up like 17%. I don't know what's a good feed for nat gas. Or gas, even LNG. Oh god, I can't find it. But basically, like, find wherever the hell gas is and get into that. Too bad for joking. Nah, it's alright, bro. It is what it is. He deserves it. Sometimes when you're nice with the people, they don't listen. When you're a bit harsh, yeah, they feel embarrassed, innit? They have to cuss them the hell out, and then they might be embarrassed from it, and they might learn their lesson. And it's fun to do as well. Whereas if you be like, Rune, don't do that, it's not gonna work, he's gonna be like, shut up, man. I ain't listening to you. And then when you say, oh, you idiot, do you want to get cooked? Then they're like, I don't want to get cooked. Okay, I'll listen, innit? There. You know what I mean? The cooking method works. Instill fear in them. Instill fear in them. Treat it like your kid. Instill fear. We have 6 states. Yeah. What they called, if you don't mind me asking? What are the names of the 6 states? Look on that water, Bashi. It went down beautifully because I said Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. But in all honesty, just you need to change your strategy because it's not working the way you're doing it. You need to reduce your scalps or whatever. Like, because you're a scalper, I'll say 2 trades a day max. Max risk 0.25% and just take it slow and steady because you're gonna have really high trade frequency. Okay, so New South Wales, which is Sydney, Victoria, which is Melbourne, Queensland, Brisbane. Oh, I've heard of Brisbane. No, okay, wait. New South Wales, which is Sydney, Victoria, which is Melbourne, Queensland, which is Brisbane. I've heard of Brisbane. South Australia, which is Adelaide. Adelaide? Yeah, I've heard of Adelaide. Western Australia, Perth. Heard of Perth. And Tasmania, Hobart. Okay, so I know Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth. I don't know the Hobart one. I've never heard of that. Thank you, Sahad. I wonder what's going on with Yahya. I've not heard of him for a while, man. Last I heard, he's supposed to be part of the militias, isn't it? In Kurdistan, gonna go fight Iran. I don't know where the guy is. I can't wait for him to come back. He's gonna say the same thing. Bro, I'm back. I'm ready to trade again. Wallah, I'm gonna come back. Oh, 9 o'clock news. Hobart is the size of my PP, very small. Okay. Where is that located? Whereabouts is that area? Like German IFO. We got European Central Bank Lane speaking at 9:15. Pre-orders, new releases. Let's look at new releases, yeah? So obviously got Crimson Desert. I've heard really bad stuff about Crimson Desert. Overthrown, Rubato, Headquarters. Have they got Marvel versus Capcom? I used to like that. Are there any cool Pokemon games? Pokemon, gotta catch her, it's you and me. It's not my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend. Anyway, about pre-orders, Forza Horizon 6, I'm tempted to get that, man, but it's £36. It would be great to get a payout. GTA 6, that's gonna be good, I think. Screamer? What's that? The game called Screamer is gonna come out tomorrow. What game is this? Go back to the chat. South and is separate from rest of. Oh, it's like an island basically. Got you. It's like an island then. Yeah. So Cholo is right on the shorts. I was right on the longs. Couldn't get an entry price. Just flew off. Did the usual Trump bollocks. Did we get a short though? I don't think you would have got a short because of how price was moving. Yeah, nope. No one there. I've heard of it, never played it. I like Marvel and DC, but I don't like games of Marvel and DC, if that makes sense. If not, go watch the gameplay. Alright, I will. Let's look at GBPCHF. I've not looked at that in ages. Full on action game. All right. Chalo, are we done then? I shall wait for another 20 minutes in it, and then I'll switch over to GOT. But yeah, what do you reckon to oil anyway? Because you asked me about oil. What do you reckon? I didn't even answer that, did I? No, I didn't. I didn't even answer that. Firstly, I want to buy it, yeah, but I would say buy it from around 96. 97 through to about 93 would be a nice level to buy it. and then obviously scaling. I don't see it dropping down to obviously 10th of March levels, 80. I don't see that. I think it's going to sit around 90 at the lowest, and I think it's going to fly back up again to like 105 ish. Yeah, that's about right to be. So if you could hop in anywhere from about 90 to 95, and then target all the way back up to, yeah, about 105 to about 108. Yeah, Brent obviously is gonna, crude's gonna go deeper, Brent's gonna obviously go higher. We're seeing Brent hold its value more compared to crude. What's the difference between Brent and crude oil? Let me have a look. You know, ChatGPT Premium is so good, it's just not worth it though. This ChatGPT is really good. Right, I've asked it, so we let it give an answer, innit? Go on to GPT. You bloody lulu. So you got Brent here, yeah, and then you're looking at crude, innit? So yeah, so crude, I would look at a different price obviously, because it's a bit more sensitive, isn't it? Let's go on the 1 hour. I would say for crude, yeah, I'd look at 86. To about 80. That'd be like the buy level to about 80, and then I think the TP level would be about 95 or 100. I'd put the TP level back into this range. So about 94 and a half. M15, let me have a look. Oh shit. I mean, yeah, it sits within that level, doesn't it? Of 85 to 82 basically. But if you're using volume profile, you're going to see exactly where the volume is going to be better anyway. But I'd say between 82 to about 85 would be a good level, and then try kind of come back into this range again, in it, because obviously we've got range here. So I'll come back into that range of 95 to 102, and then I would take partials and leave a position open just in case it breaks and goes higher again. But I don't think it will, because obviously the issue is we're having people slowly paying for money to get through the Strait of Hormuz, which means Iran's willing to deal. They're willing to make, you know, deals and stuff, yeah? Which means it softens the issue, it softens the supply restraint. I would say 82 then. I'd say below that level. If the volume profile that everyone can see, that you can see, everyone's at 84, I'd go lower than that. But yeah, I'd say something like that. Let's go back to ChatGPT's answer then. So, I'm checking the current benchmarks, how Iran's crude is classified, and the latest market mechanics giving you a trade relevant comparison. Brent versus crude, it's the Israeli Brent versus other crude benchmarks. Crude is the generic raw commodity. Brent is a specific North Sea crude blend, and more importantly, the main global waterborne benchmark. WTI is the main US benchmark, blah 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 blah. The practical difference is Brent is seaborne, international, and more exposed to global shipping and Middle Eastern disputes. WTI is US centric, so it can move differently when global risks happen.
101 Airbus A320 NEO jets.
We'll have a look at that in a second. Crude oil by itself just means oil in general, not a specific contract or grade. Brent and WTI are both crude oil. Okay. On quality, both Brent and WTI are relatively light and sweet, which is usually easier for refining and better yields of higher value products. Brent is a 38.5 API with a 41% sulfur in ice material, while NYMXI delivers deliverable crude is 37 sufferable max. For Iran, the common export grade is not super high premium sweet like people sometimes assume. The main export grade are Iran's light and Iran's heavy. Recent reports show Iran's export uses a mix of about 55% light and 44% heavy. S&P Global publishes and describes light as 30% and sulfur heavies. That means Iran's crude is generally medium to heavy and sour, not among the sweetest crudes in the world. So on the apparently is one of the best point, I would not frame Iran's crude as one of the best. Better description would be valuable, important, and widely usable. Which is why it's better, because it's widely usable. But generally sour and heavier than Brent and WTI refineries set off in Middle Eastern barrels like it. Oh! Refineries set up for salmon, but I like it a lot, but it's not the same quality profile as benchmarks crude. Okay, for the current situation, Brent usually tracks the risk better than WTI because Brent is the international seaborne benchmark, and WTI is obviously WTI is USA based with their own supply. Right, okay. Which is why, so that makes sense, innit? I had the feeling Brent's gonna hold more, and I wanted to figure out the reason why. So Brent oil is ultimately international oil, and WTI is basically Western or American oil. But obviously they both affect each other anyway, because it's still a supply restraint issue, isn't it? Yeah, that's fascinating. Okay, what is it? 4 hour closing in 1 hour, so I'll wait for candle closure for oil. Yeah. I think that's why crude, yeah, might have more of a potential sell-off as opposed to Brent. Down 1.14. 1.14. This is down 1%. So yeah, interesting. Apparently you can see the Omani charts and stuff as well. Let's have a look at the Middle Eastern charts. I'm searching for it now. I can't trade Brent on futures anyway. Well, I can, but it's macro. Oh, isn't that the too big one? Is that the too small one? I forgot. The contract size thing. Ah, I got you. Okay, yeah, too big. Too much risk. Does that mean that in futures, a lot of the people who trade Brent are more financially backed people? Or is that just me reading too into it? Right, let's see if it's find the ticker. So on TradingView, Oman crude oil futures. Let's have a look then. So DMF. Oh shit. Oh shit. You can't even see it. You can't even. Oh shit. You can't even. Oh god. Okay, so you ignore that one. Oh god. Hey, here we go. Yeah, I'm done with that. That was annoying. I was trying to find the chart for the Middle East futures in it or whatever. For oil. I want to see how the Middle East is treating the oil situation compared to the West, innit? No, it's unfunded. There's a limit for macros and macros unless they're live. I don't think any trader. Ah, okay, got you. Don't know what to do now, man.
ECB's Lane says we'll be considering at every meeting what the scenario is.
Yeah, I'll stick around for another. Actually, you know what? I'll just start it now, man. After we've had such a big move, I really don't see the markets giving a move. So, cholo, I'll start it in 5-10 minutes and go brush my teeth and stuff, and then I'll go start it. Yeah. That's fine. That's good. It helps me as well. Bro, the last one got bare views, you know. Wait, the last one. It got, yeah. It got 46 views, bro. The last one did. And 5 likes, 6 likes. That's not bad. I was a bit surprised by that. Anyway, you go. Yeah, bro, like 46 views, all it is just me playing that. I was like, that's not bad, you know? And that's just through YouTube. I'm not even like doing any social media hashtags or anything like on X or anything. Just YouTube and its own stuff. Cholo, I'll see you in about 10 minutes anyway or whatever. Peace out, man. Assalamu alaikum. Anyone watching this back, hit like. If you have any comments, drop it in the chat. Peace.